That shit is fucked up.
That is. Oh, she is crusty. Look at that yumminess.
Oh my god, bro. Well, good thing we had this.
I appreciate it.
Right on hand.
So much. That shit's fucked.
It's gonna sit on top here. That's where I push it. Make sure we're placing the spring sits even. Here's something I recommend. It's probably not needed, but I'm doing it just for extra measure. Some black, ultra black RTV. Basically, oil paint. If you can get it on there and have me hold it in place.
Oh, that would hold it in spot, and then I can just put the cap on. Is that what you mean? So this would suck it down. This would be sucked down.
Yeah.
And then
just by the start of the car, it should create that vacuum.
Oh shit! Nice. Yeah, totally. Totally.
We can give it a shot unless you want to hit it with the mallet.
No, I'm down with your way.
Just make sure we get everything aligned and then hold it on there.
Yeah. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Just like that.
Oh, okay. Give it a shot. Yep.
Sweet.
Put it on. Mallet.
Oh, well, there he goes.
Oh.
Yeah. I'll get it on there right now.
The manifold extractor's bad.
Yeah, the manifold extractor is bad.
Positive crankcase ventilation system.
This is correct.
Oh, that's the actual thing.
Positive crankcase ventilation system. Yeah.
It's almost on there.
So we used the old cap. The new one didn't work. It's okay, it's expelling whatever's in there. I don't hear any whistle. I'm sure it coated all of the walls of everything. Look at your exhaust tips.
I know.
Oh shit.